Hi peeps, I'm here at the German Christmas market to see amazing things happen here. Isn't this beautiful? This Christmas market is organized by the German and the Austrians. There's awesome things here for sale. Did you know over 15 million people, they came here to the German Christmas market to visit? As you can see, it's full of people, and you know what? It's raining, but it will not stop me. I'm gonna see what they have for sale here.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to everyone. Me and Monica, we are here at the German Christmas market in Birmingham. We're going to show you amazing things and we're going to see what's what. It's raining, but that will never stop us to come here and enjoy it. They sell all sorts of mixed nuts. This one, for example, is with cashew. I think they do put sugar or honey in some of them. Oh wow, it smells so nice. My goodness, it's raining so much, it doesn't surprise me. A lot of people, they are here underneath this roof. That is something really nice. They do it here at the German Christmas market. This is so busy. Here in Birmingham is such a beautiful city. I will remind you guys, here is the second biggest city in the United Kingdom. Look at the size of these Christmas trees. They're selling all sorts of things here. Hello Santa. Oh my goodness, it's raining so much. How you doing? You okay?
Okay, good.
Look at this stuff, guys. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh my goodness, I would love to eat that one. Look at the stuff they sell here, for example. Amazing. Look how beautiful is those tiny houses that you can decorate your home. Donuts, guys, I do like them. Actually, on my latest video I did a donuts challenge. You can check on my YouTube channel. It's just not food or drinks. They sell all sorts of things. Like here they sell even scarves and hats and gloves and all sorts of things. Wow. Piccadilly shopping center. This is the smallest shopping center that I have seen. This is just 100 yards lengthwise. My goodness. Let's continue to go and see how beautiful is this Christmas market. Look how stunning is that. At the top is rotating, as you can see. My goodness, this rain is just killing me. Look at that. Everybody's having fun. Look at these guys. Oh my goodness. Look at the detail in those things. People, they make all sorts of things here. Wow. Look at the stuff they sell here for Christmas. Oh my goodness, there's always something new and different. Kips, look how big is this Christmas tree here at the German Christmas market in Birmingham. Oh my goodness, this is full of people. Full of people. And it's so stunning. Really stunning.
Guys, you are all awesome. Merry Christmas to all of you. I'll see you on the next one.